Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Creo tutorial how to fillet sketch. I will go to top view and then click sketch. Now we can go to sketch view. After it, I will draw a rectangle as example and you can set the dimension. For length, I will set into 200 and for width, you can click in it and I will set 150. Now, if you want to create fillet in this cat, you can click at these tools, fillet. I will click like from this line objects into here, and it will be automatically show the fillet. You can press middle mouse to apply. And to edit this fillet, you can double click on the dimensions. Like I will set into 40 for radius, and you can press enter to apply. I will fillet again in another corner in here. And I will set the fillet radius into 30 and press enter again. Okay, that's it for basic Creo tutorial, how to use fillet tools. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.